Hello, welcome back to Prucknick Adventures. I'm Jeff, and this is us in Michigan now. The other day I did a short, and I had green beans that we got from the garden, and I'm like thinking, maybe a few of you that know me go, wonder what he did with those green beans that he had in the pot. Well, I'm going to show you. There's what's left of them. Bohnensalat. German for, I think I said it correct, to be corrected in my German. But it's just bean salad. Creamy bean salad. And I will prove to you that they are tasty. Not quite talking my mouth full. I know they're good. I made it the other day, and my wife, and her being German, she's thumbs up. Not enough green beans, but I'm going to go get more in the garden later, and we'll make more of that before the season is up. So I hope you all stay tuned. I am soon going to be posting a video of a new venture that I'm going to do. A little background on me is I had to retire. I'm a truck driver, retired, medical back problems. Anyway, we moved here now to Michigan. My wife is working, and we're looking for a house. And I need to supplement my income a little bit with what I get from the disability. I get my income, thank God I worked and I put into it all those years. And that's okay. But I'm home, and I want to do something while I'm home. I got my 10-year-old. She's going to be going to school again soon, so I'm going to have some free time between doing stuff around the house, fishing. I'm going to do something. I'm not going to give it out just yet what I'm going to do. Stay tuned. It'll probably be next week. I hope I can get some more followers on this and some support. And my wife is a little bit down. Christina is my wife. Not so much that we moved, but how should I say, we're sometimes a now people that we want it now. And she's like, well, I want a house now. And we have to work at it. And it's going to maybe take some of you guys to help out just by subscribing, to get the subscribers, to get the channel going and help us out that way. Like and share. I'm going to try to do some decent content. I'll even try to dress a little better, but I'm a t-shirt, blue jean, shorts kind of guy and always have been and will be until winter time. Then I'll probably be a snowmobile suit kind of guy here. 37 years away from Michigan. I'm sure I'm going to be a shocker this winter. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all be good. And God bless. Hey, and to go along with that salad that I made, the green bean salad, or Bowen salad. Dang, I really screwed it up. Anyway, there's 2 ripe tomatoes that come out of our garden. But right there in front, right here, this baby right here, is a 2-pound meatloaf, 1 pound of it venison, 1 pound of it ground pork. Mixed it with my seasonings. I got a little bit of cumin. I got paprika in there. I got garlic and onion, and all the num-nums are in that little roast right there, that meatloaf. And right now it's just going to be my daughter and I until my wife comes home in a little bit. But we're going to eat. We'll see you next time. Again, you can help us out by subscribing, liking, sharing, get those notifications, hit that bell. We would great. And again, have a blessed day.